Proxy caregiver training is not only the law, but the right of the individual being served. So let me ask you, are you an RN or licensed healthcare professional? Do you own a group home or provide CRA or residential services in Georgia? The information I'm about to give you will positively change your life. NBHS of Georgia offers a comprehensive Proxy caregiver training manual, complete with instructional content, quizzes, answer keys, handouts, and competency skills checklists essential to training the caregiver and ensuring compliance with Georgia laws. In fact, our manual has been designed by our team of industry experts, which is comprised of nurses, training professionals, and evaluation specialists. You can be assured that it meets the Georgia Department of Community Health Healthcare Facility Regulation standards for Proxy caregiver training. The manual gives RNs, licensed professionals, and providers of residential services the tools they need to be compliant with the laws and to competently train and evaluate caregivers. Don't delay any further. Order your manual and get on the right side of the law. Call us at 800-214-2611 or visit our website at nbhsllc.com. Please allow up to 10 days for delivery. This could well be one of the best decisions you will ever make.